Yes, my dear students, as I told you before, today I am going to teach you on arithmetic progression. So, before going to deal with some problems, I would like to remind you some important formula regarding arithmetic progression. So, already we know that the general form of arithmetic progression is a, comma, a plus d, comma, a plus 2d, so on to a plus n minus 1 into d. So you already know that a is the first term and a plus d is the second term, a plus 2d is the third term, and so on. And here the nth term of ap is denoted by an, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. So casually we denote a1 as a, a2 as a plus d, and a3 as a plus 2d, and the nth term, that is the last term, also it is called as an, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is number of terms. How many number of terms are there? So that is denoted by n. And d is common difference. That is the formula for d is a2 minus a1, that is second term minus first term. That is nth term is equal to, that is last term, that is L is equal to an, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is the first term, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. And already you know that the main important formula, that is sum of n terms of ap, that is denoted by Sn. Sum of n terms of ap, that is Sn, is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And also it is also one more formula is there, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket a plus l, where a is the first term and l is the last term. So whenever first term and last term is known, you can easily use Sn, that is equal to n by 2 a plus l. And also one more extra important part, the sum of first n natural numbers is Sn, that is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. You should remember, it may ask in 1 marks. The sum of n natural numbers, that is Sn, is equal to n into bracket n plus 1 by 2. That is, here n is the number of first natural numbers. You know that the natural numbers are of 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. And also the sum of odd natural numbers is denoted by Sn, that is equal to n square. For example, if you want to find out the sum of first 10 odd natural numbers, you can easily take that n is equal to 10, that is 10 square is 100. So likewise. And also I am going to tell you one more important formula, as I already told in class. Whenever the pth term and qth term is given, that is, I will repeat, whenever the pth term and qth term is given, the common difference is taken as d is equal to pth term is ap, qth term is aq, that is ap minus aq divided by p minus q. It may be 16th term, 17th term, whatever. Generally you can easily find out the common difference d as ap minus aq divided by p minus q. If it is mth and nth term, that is am minus an by m minus n, whatever it may be. So generally pth term and qth term is given, then common difference d is taken as ap minus aq divided by p minus q. So this is the overall concept of ap. So regarding on this formula, you can easily crack the problems. So I will go with the problems now one by one. Please trace it well. So my dear students, here is my first problem for you. In this video, I am going to take you for applicable level questions, that is, they may ask for 4 marks. First I will deal applicable levels, and then in the next video I am going to tell you, and I am going to take you towards easy level. So here we go, the first problem. Read it carefully and trace it, and take one paper, one pen, and go on to solve. So I will read here. In an arithmetic progression of 50 terms, the sum of first 10 terms is, 210, and the sum of last 15 terms is 2565. Then find the AP. So in this problem, first thing you have to note the given data. So what might we have given data is, see, there is an arithmetic progression, we have 50 terms. So here there are total number of terms in arithmetic progression is 50. Therefore I will write given data as, let us consider the number of terms n is equal to 50. So one more data is clear here. Then the sum of first 10 terms is, the sum of first 10 terms andre first starting 10 terms the sum kottidare, that is the sum of first 10 term is denoted by S10, that is equal to 210. And also they have taken the sum of last 15 terms. See, there are totally 50 number of terms from first term, second term, third term, so on to 50 terms. They have given starting 10 terms sum, that is 210, and also they have given the sum of last 15. Last 15 means 50th term, 49th term, 47th term. So there is last 15 terms. So last 15 terms andre first 50 terms nalli 35 terms minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 15 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 15 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ S50 ಮೈನಸ್ S35. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 50 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 35 ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ 1 to 50 ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 to 35 ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 15 ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ, that is last 15 terms sum is taken as S50 minus S35. That is you are going to get the sum of last 15 terms, that is given 2565, that is 2565. So you need to find the AP. Find the AP means what? A comma A plus D comma so on. So how to deal with this problem? So here we know that the sum of n terms of AP is given by Sn, that is equal to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here since S10 is given, therefore put n is equal to 10. S10 is equal to 10 by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n value is 10 minus 1 into d. So by simplification S10 is already given, that is 210. 10 by 2 is 5. 2a plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9d. This into 5 here it becomes divided by, so 210 by 5 is equal to 2a plus 9d. Again we simplify, so 5 4s are 20, left is 1, again 5 2s are 10, so 5 1s are 5, 42s is 210, that is equal to 2a plus 9d, or I will write it as 2a plus 9d is equal to 42. Take it as equation number 1. So here you are going to get one equation, and also take with another level, that is S50 minus S35. So already in the same way, similarly we have S50 minus S35, that is equal to 2565. So S50 in means in Sn formula you put n is equal to 50 and n is equal to 35 and simplify. That is here 50 divided by 2 in the bracket 2a plus 50 n minus 1, that is 50 minus 1 into d minus S35, that is in place of n put 35 in Sn formula, that is we are going to have 35 by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1, that is n is 35, 35 minus 1 into d, that is equal to 2565. Here 50 by 2 is nothing but 25 in the bracket 2a. 50 minus 1 is 49d, that is minus, here it is minus 35 divided by 2 into bracket 2a plus 35 minus 1 is 34d is equal to 2565. Here there is no common, here you can take a common, that is 2. So I will simplify further. 25 2a plus 49d minus 35 divided by 2. Here I will take 2 common, inside left is a plus 2 17s are 34, so I will take 17d here, that is equal to 2565. Again here 2 and 2 get cancelled. Therefore you have 25 in the bracket 2a plus 49d minus 35 into bracket a plus 17d is equal to 2565. So after simplification, here you are going to get 25 2s, that is 50a plus 25 into 49, you are going to have 1225d minus 35 into a is 35a, here minus into plus is minus 35 into 17, that is 595d, 595d, which is equal to 2565. Again here 50a minus 35a is 15a plus 1225d minus 595d is 630d, that is plus 630d is equal to 2565. Again here I am going to get 15 as common. You are going to get a plus 15, how much is 630, that is 15 42s, here 2565. So again you have a plus 42d, so here 15 1s are 15 171s, so therefore you have a plus 42d is equal to 171. Take this as equation number 2. So equation 1 and 2 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 2a plus 9d 42, a plus 42d is equal to 171. So multiply equation number 1 with 1 and multiply equation number 2 with 2. So 2a into 1 is 2a, 9d into 1 is 9d is equal to 42. Here multiply with 2, 2 into a is 2a, 2 into 42 is 84d, and 2 into 171 is 342. So by solving this you are going to have minus 75d is equal to 300, that is 2a and minus 2a is get cancelled. In minus 84 plus 9, that is you are going to get minus 75d, and in minus 342 you have to minus 42 you go, that is you are going to get minus 300. Both side minus minus get cancelled. So here you have 75d is equal to 300. Therefore d is equal to 75 1s are 75 4s are. Therefore ultimately we are going to have d value as 4. Again put this d value 4 in any one of the equation number 1 or equation number 2, you are going to get a value. So here I am going to put d is equal to 4 in equation number 1, that is equation number 1 I have 2a plus 9d is equal to 42. Therefore 2a plus 9, d value is 4, 42, 2a plus 9 4s are 36 is equal to 42. Therefore 2a is equal to 42 plus 36 becomes minus 36. Therefore 2a is equal to 42 minus 36 is 8. Therefore a is equal to it is 6. So a value is 3. So ultimately you got a value as 3 and that of d value as 4. By taking these a and d value you can easily find out ap, that is a plus d, so on. A value is 3, a value is 3, d value is 4, so on. That is 3 comma 4 plus 3 is 7, again 4 it is 11, so on. So this is a required ap. So this is one of the 4 marks question. And again here we have the second problem. I will read. The sum of 4 consecutive terms which are in an AP is 32, and the ratio of product of the first and last term to the product of 2 middle term is in the ratio 7:15. Then find the terms of AP. Here they are going to give you 4 consecutive terms. 4 consecutive terms means whenever the 3 terms are given, I already told you take those terms are a plus d, a minus d, a plus 3d and a minus 3d. Here first term, second term, third term, fourth term. These are the 4 consecutive terms and their sum is given as 32. Therefore, I'm going to take a minus 3d, the first term, plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d, which is equal to 32. Here minus 3d and plus 3d get cancelled, minus d plus d get cancelled. So totally we have a plus a plus a plus a, that is 4a is equal to 32. Therefore a is equal to 4 ones are 4 eights are. So you got the a value as 8. Again, in these four terms, they are given the ratio of product of first term and last term. First term is a minus 3d and the last term is a plus 3d. These are the first and last term, and these are the middle two terms. Their ratio is given. That is product of first and last term, that is a minus 3d into a plus 3d divided by middle two terms a minus d into a plus d. Their ratio is given 7 is to 15. 7 is to 15. So friends, here you got a value as 8. Put a value as 8 here. So you are going to have 8 minus 3d into a plus 3d divided by 8 minus d into 8 plus d is equal to 7 by 15. Here it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, a minus b into a plus b, that is you have the formula a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. In the same way, 8 minus 3d into 8 plus 3d, that is you are going to have 8 square minus 3d whole square divided by 8 square minus d square, that is equal to 7 by 15. 8 square is 64 minus 3 square is 9d square divided by denominator 8 square is 64 minus d square is equal to 7 by 15. By taking cross product, you are going to have 15 into bracket 64 minus 9d square is equal to 7 into bracket, here it goes here, that is 64 minus d square. So product here 15 into 64 is 960 minus 15 into 9 is 135 d square is equal to 7 into 64, it is 448 minus 7 into d square is minus 7 d square. Make d square one side and number one side, that is minus 135 d square, that minus 7 becomes plus 7 d square is equal to 448, that plus 960 becomes minus 960. Here minus 135 plus 7 is minus 128 d square, which is equal to 448 minus 960 is minus 512. So both side minus minus get cancelled. So 128 ones are 128, I think it is 4s are. So here you are going to get d square as 4. If d square is 4, then it is equal to square root of 4, that is 2. You can take plus or minus 2. For your understanding sake, I will take d as 2. So now you have a value as 8 and d value is 2. So easily you can find those terms. So I have taken those four terms as a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, and the fourth term is a plus 3d. So you need to find out these terms by putting the value of a and d. A value is 8 minus 3 into bracket d value is 2, 8 minus 2, 8 plus 2, 8 plus 3 into 2. Simplify. 8, 3 to the 6. So 8 minus 6 is 2. Here 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 plus 2 is 10. And here it is 8, 3 to the 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. So 2, 6, 10, 14 are the terms which are in AP. I will repeat. They have given 4 consecutive terms. I have taken as a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 3d. Please go through the steps by watching this video again and again. So here I am going to, I think it's consuming little bit time, so I will solve and explain directly. Yes, my dear student friends, here is one more interesting and applicable and most askable question. So I'm going to tell you the pth, qth and rth term of an AP are A, B, C respectively. Then prove that A into bracket Q minus R plus B into bracket R minus P plus C into bracket P minus Q is equal to 0. I will repeat. The pth term, qth term and rth term. Casually you know that the nth term of AP is an. In the similar way, the pth term of AP is A, qth term is B and that of rth term is C. So I will write here in the solution page, that is pth term is AP, that is A, qth term is AQ, that is B, and rth term is AR, that is C. So hence these three terms are given which are in AP. So you need to prove this given value. To prove this, see, I will tell you, I already told in introduction that whenever the pth term and qth term is given, we have the common difference D is equal to, whenever pth term and qth term are given, that is AP minus AQ divided by P minus Q. Since here A, B, C are in AP, that is the common difference between any two consecutive number is always equal. That is second term minus first term is same as usual. Third term minus second term is the same. So here I am going to take the first thing, AP minus AQ by P minus Q. So then let us take it is a D, common difference D, that is equal to AP is A minus AQ is B divided by P minus Q. This is one more common difference. And again I will take third term minus second term. Again common difference D is equal to, that is qth term and rth term, that is AQ minus AR divided by Q minus R. That is D is equal to AQ is B, AR is C divided by Q minus R. Here both common differences are same because in an AP the common differences are same. Therefore I will make RHS is equal to this RHS, that is A minus B divided by P minus Q is equal to B minus C divided by Q minus R. Now make a cross product. I am going to have A minus B into bracket, this one goes here, that is Q minus R, that is equal to B minus C into bracket, this P minus goes here, that is P minus Q. In this proof section, you please observe A into bracket Q minus R and B into bracket R minus P, C into bracket P minus Q equal to 0. However, you try to get this solution. See, here I am going to make product first into second and second into second. That is A into bracket Q minus R minus B into bracket Q minus R, that is equal to again same B into bracket P minus Q minus C into bracket P minus Q. Now I will simplify. I will keep this term as it is, A into bracket Q minus R as it is in the proof. Now make it product. Minus B into Q is BQ, again minus into minus is plus, B into R is BR, again B into P minus Q, make a product BP, minus B into Q is BQ. Now I will put this term as usual, that is C into bracket P minus Q, because in proof we have, so don't disturb that term. Now A into bracket Q minus R, here in equality symbol in both sides we have B minus B by Q minus BQ get cancels, so we have BR, here its left is BP minus C into bracket P minus Q. So let us transform this, shift this term to LHS side, it becomes plus A into bracket Q minus R plus BR plus BP becomes minus BP minus C into bracket P minus Q becomes plus C times of P minus Q, which is equal to 0. Here nothing is left, therefore 0. Now again I will take the common in the middle, these three terms, that is B as common. So I will take B common, left is R minus P plus C into bracket P minus Q, which is the required proof as given. See, please you can check out. So this is one of the easiest way to prove these problems. Many students gets as it's difficult, it is too easy. Please check out the problem. Okay, then I will go for the next problem. Yes, my dear students, here is one more problem. I will read. The sum of the first three terms of an AP is 33. The sum of first three terms of an AP is 33. If the product of the first term and the third term exceeds the second term by 29, then find the AP. I will repeat. The sum of first three terms of an AP is 33. If the product of first term and third term exceeds the second term by 29, then find the AP. See, dear students, here the sum of first three terms. Whenever the first three terms is given, you must take the three terms as a minus d, a and a plus d. These are the three terms. These three terms sum is given, that is 33. So sum is 33. That is, you take a minus d plus a plus d, that is equal to 33. If you add all the three terms, you will get 33. Here minus d plus d get cancelled. Therefore left is a, that is 3a, that is 33. 3 ones are 3 11s are, that is a, directly we have a value as 11. Again, in these three terms, they have given the product of the first term and third term. Here the first term is a minus d and the third term is a plus d. That is product of first term and third term exceeds ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು increase. So exceeds the second term. Second term ನ ಎಷ್ಟು exceed ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is by 29. Therefore exceeds the second term a2 by 29. Here a1 is not a. Here a1 I have taken as a minus d. That is the important part here. A1 as a minus d into a3 means third term. Here in these three terms, the third term is a plus d. Therefore third term is a plus d is equal to a2. That is second term. In these three terms, the second term is a. Therefore a2 I have taken as a, that is plus 29. Here it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. In terms of b it is d. So a square minus d square is equal to a plus 29. Already you have a value as 11. So insert a value 11 here. So a value 11 square minus d square is equal to a value is 11 plus 29. 11 square is 121 minus d square. So 11 plus 29 is 40. Minus d square, shift 129 here, it becomes minus 121. So minus d square is equal to 40 minus 121 is minus 81. Both side minus minus get cancels. So d square is equal to 81. So 9 9s are 81. Therefore d value is square root of 81 is 9. So take d value 9, a value as 11. So we can find out the required AP, that is taking these terms as initiation, a minus d, a plus d. A value is 11, d value is 9. So insert the values of a and d, you will have the required AP 2, 11, 20. You can check the common difference is 9 here. So this is one of the important problem. Yes, one more interesting problem we have. Dear students, please have patience. And in another problem, they have given the sum of fifth and ninth term. The sum of fifth term and ninth term is 40. The sum of 8th and 14th term is 64. The sum of 8th and 14th term is 64. Then find the sum of first 25 terms. I will show the problem clearly. See, they have mentioned the sum of 5th and 9th. The sum of 5th term. Sum of 5th term is A5, 9th term is A9, that is 40. And the sum of 8th and 14th. 8th term is A8 and the 14th term is A14, that is given 64. You write all the given data. So generally, you know, what they ask is, you have to find out the sum of first 25 terms. Sum means Sn. So you need to find out S25, not A25. It is S25 you need to find out. So A5 is A plus 4D, A9 is A plus 8D, that is equal to 40. 5 means 1 is less, that is 4. 9 means is 1 is less, that is 8D. You know this. Here A plus A is 2A, 4D plus 8D is 12D, that is equal to 40. And again similarly they have given the sum of 8th term and 14th term is 64. So A8 is A plus 7D, A14 is A plus 13D, that is equal to 64. Here A plus A is 2A, 7D plus 13D is 20D, that is equal to 64. This is the equation number 2. By solving 1 and 2, you are going to have one of the A values of A or D. Here the second equation is 2A plus 20D is equal to 64, and the first equation is 2A plus 12D is equal to 40. Solving plus becomes minus, here plus becomes minus. Directly it goes minus 2A plus 2A get cancelled. Here 20 minus 12 is 8D, 64 minus 40 is 24. So 8 ones are 8 threes are. So you have D value is 3. Put this D value 3 in either in equation number 1 or equation number 2. Here I am going to insert this D value 3 in equation number 1. So equation number 1 we have 2A plus 12D is equal to 40. 2A plus 12, D value is 3, that is equal to 40. 2A plus 12 3s are 36, that is equal to 40. 2A that is equal to 40 plus 36 becomes minus 36, therefore 40 minus 36 is 4. So 2 ones are 2 2s are. So A value have 2, D value is 3. Whenever you have A value and D value in your hand, you can solve any AP problem. So as per the question, they had asked to find the value of S25. So you know that the formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n value is 25, a value is 2, n value is 25, and this d value is 3. Insert and simplify. You are going to find the answer for S25, and I left it for question mark. Please do this problem and simplify. So if you permit, I will go for one more last question in this video session. Yes, that is one more last question I have. Keep concentrate and keep determined. Here, if the sum of first 8 terms of AP are 136, the sum of first 8 terms is 136. Sum of first 8 term andre S8 is equal to 136, and the sum of 15 terms, sum of 15 term means S15. Most of the students commit a mistake that sum means they will take as AN. It's wrong. Sum of 8 term means S8, sum of 15 term is S15, that is 465. You need to find out the sum of first 25 terms. Sum of first 25 means S25, not A25. You know that the famous formula Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So in this Sn formula put n is equal to 8. So S8 is equal to 8 by 2, 2a plus, put a value, d value as it is because we don't know a value and d value. So 2a plus n value is 8, 8 minus 1, d as it is. S8 is given, that is 136, so insert S8 value 136, 8 by 2 is 4, 2a plus 8 minus 1 is 7d. So this into 4 shifted here becomes divided by 4, that is equal to 2a plus 7d. Again 4 ones are 430, 4 ones are 434s are, therefore you have 34 is equal to 2a plus 7d. Or we can rewrite it as 2a plus 7d is equal to 34. Say it is equation number 1. Also, similarly they have given the sum of 15 term is 465. Therefore S15, in this Sn formula put n is equal to 15. So we have directly S15 is equal to 15 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1, that is 15 minus 1 into d. Here S15 is already they have given, that is 465, that is equal to 15 by 2 into bracket 2a plus 15 minus 1 is 14d. Here friends you can see that here it is 2, here it is 14, therefore you can easily take out the common. So 465 as it is, 15 by 2 as it is, take 2 common, left is a plus 7d, 2 7s are 14. Here 2 and 2 get cancelled, this into 15 becomes divided by 15 here. So most of the students make it as minus 15, it is wrong. Here it is into, therefore 15 becomes divided by 15. 15 ones are 15, 30 ones are a plus 17d as it is. So equation you have a plus 17d is equal to 31. So by solving 1 and 2, you are going to have C. A plus 70 is 31 is first equation, it is the second equation. Both are imbalanced, therefore multiply equation number 1 with 2 and equation number 2 with 1 to get these two values same. So 2 into A is 2A, 2 into 70 is 14D, 2 into 31 is 62, and this one is as usual. See here, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus 2A minus 2A get cancelled. So 14D minus 7D is 7D. Here plus plus means not to do as addition. Here take the opposite symbol, plus and minus you have to subtract. Therefore 14 minus 7 is 7D. 62 minus 34 is 28. So you know that 7 ones are 7 fours are, therefore D value has 4. So you know that what to do. So put D value 4 either in equation number 2 or 1. So here I will put in equation number 2, that is D value 4. So first equation we have, second equation, that is A plus 7D is equal to 31. So A plus 7 into bracket D value is 4, 31, 7 fours are 28, plus 28 becomes minus 28. Therefore you have A value as 31 minus 28, that is 3. So they asked to find out S25, that is S25. In Sn formula, put n value is 25, A value and D value and simplify. You will get the values, and I will keep this for you as homework because I want to know that what is the answer. I know you will know my number and WhatsApp it the answer. So this is what we have, variety of problems, and tomorrow I will get connect with you with the different problems. Please keep patience and solve the problems. As we know that all the world is affecting by corona, and it is your future and you have to sit and you have to work out. And again I'm going to give you one assignment here. Take this question. In an AP, third term is 8. I will give the hint. Third term is 8 and the ninth term is 2 more than 3 times the third number. Ninth term is 2 more means plus 2 more than 3 times 3 times means into 3 times the third number means A3. Then find the sum of 20 terms. You need to find out S20. So here it is the question in an AP. I am going to assign you. Please work out and send me the answer. So dear students, up to this I have show you some of the important problems regarding applicable level. So tomorrow I'm going to connect with you on some more problems. So until then, keep determined and keep working. So if you trust on yourself, you can do anything. Thank you so much. Please watch my YouTube channel and subscribe. Thank you.